Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we will discuss and find out the Wi-Fi password in laptop. So we will see this, but firstly you have to subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start this by checking Wi-Fi password. So you have to go to the control panel of your system, click here, and then you have to go to the network and internet. In network and internet, you have to go to the view network status and tasks. At here you will find the connected Wi-Fi, which is PTCL BB, and here is this connection Wi-Fi PTCL BB. So you have to just right click on it. Oh, sorry, left click. Yeah, so you just have to click on Wi-Fi PTCL BB and click on this dialog box will open, and you have to click on wireless properties. So in wireless properties, you will get two tab, connection and security. So you will go to the security tab. In security tab, you will get the password here, network security key. By clicking in show characters column, you will get the password. So if you like this my video, so kindly subscribe my channel and share it as well. Thank you.